Hi guys, my name is Marcella and you're welcome back to my channel. Before I start this video, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. So you probably bought the Kina wireless microphone and you're asking yourself if you wasted your money, or you're asking yourself why it's not connecting. Well, this video is supposed to help you now to connect your microphone and also know the best camera to use for it. So if that's what you'd be interested in watching, please keep viewing and let's get right into the video. The first thing we're going to do is to connect our receiver to our phone. After we're connected, there's an instruction that says we should go to setting to connect in order to turn on the OTG. So we click on go setting OTG and we click on OTG, which is the third option here. After we connect our OTG, we go back to our home page, and then at this point we switch on your microphone, which is supposed to show you a green light. If it keeps showing you green and red light interchangeably, it means that your microphone has not been successfully connected to your phone. So it's advisable that you check your settings properly and also check your receiver's connection just in case you might not have inserted the receiver properly. After doing all this, you can now use your phone camera and record the videos you want to record. But if in the process of recording a video, you don't have a background that is free of noise, please try downloading the open camera from the Google Play Store. If you don't have one and if you don't know which particular one to download, but there might be so many on the Google Play Store, please download this particular open camera that is blue with the picture of a white camera on it. So after downloading your open camera, you click on it. And then you go to settings, which is the last option at the top right corner of your phone. After clicking on settings, we go down, we scroll down to video settings, and then from here we scroll down to audio source. This provides for camcorder, external mic, default audio source, and other options as we can see. For the purpose of this video, it's best you click on the external mic, which will be what will be best for you since you're obviously using the K9 wireless microphone. And from there, you can go back to your normal landing page from Google Play Store, and you can start recording your videos from here. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope that this video was really helpful to you guys, and I hope that you also like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications just so you'll be aware of when I post new videos, and also share the love with those all around you, to your friends, your enemies, your neighbors, and everyone just around you. I'll see you in my next video, and once again, thanks for watching. Bye guys.